Hello, my name is Gabriel and today I will teach you how to implement your first code. The code that we will implement is this one. What is your name? Gabriel. Hello Gabriel, have a nice day. The tools that we will use are Google Colab. Google Colab is this environment that I'm using where you can mix both texts and code. To do this we use cells like this one, and to create a new cell you just need to pass the mouse near another cell and create a new one. Google Colab is a free platform where to access Google Colab you just need to search for it, click in the first link and create a new notebook where you can build anything you want. The other tool that we will use is Python 3 or just Python. Python is a programming language, maybe the most popular programming language today. Python can be used to do many things like data science or build AIs. And for me, the reason why Python is very popular is because of its simplicity and because it is an easy programming language to learn and to understand. In this tutorial we use functions. A function, or in this context a Python function, is a structure that we can give to the function something. The function will use this thing to build another thing and returns to you this new thing, like here where we give to the function object 1, the function build object 2 and return to us. We can create new functions, we can create our own functions, or we can use ready-made functions of the programming language as the functions that we will use in this tutorial: print and input. The print function is used to show things in the screen. The syntax of the function is this one, where we use the word print and parentheses. Inside the parentheses we put what we want to show in the screen. In this example here we want to show the text hello world. If we want to show a text we must put the text inside the quote marks. It can be double quote marks or simple quote marks, both will work. And but if we want to print a number we must put the number outside the quote marks, because if we put the number inside the quote mark, Python will understand the number as a text. So let's look what will happen here. So as I said, the text hello world will be shown in the screen like the word text here, and the number that is outside the quote marks will be shown too. And in this example, as I said, we want to show the operation 12 plus 12, so we don't use the quote marks. So 24 will appear here. 24 is the result of the operation. And if we use the quote marks, Python will understand this as a text, so it will be showing the text 12 plus 12. Another thing that we will use is variables. A variable is a structure that is used to store things in the memory and to access things in the memory too. The syntax is very simple like this, where we put the name of the variable that we will create and the equals operator and the content that we want to stores in the memory. So after that, if we want to access the content, we can use the name number. So here, if I put print number, we want to show the content of the variable number, this will happen. 5. 5 is the content that we put before in the variable called number. We can use variables to store anything we want, like texts. In this example, hello world. Okay, the other thing that we use is the input function. As the name says, this function is used to read things, where we can text something and use this thing in the program, in the code. So the syntax of the input function is very simple too. We just put input, the name of the function, parentheses, and before we put the name of the variable that we use to store the content that we text, and the equals operator as the example showed before. And after that, the thing that we text will be stored in the variable called var. So let's see the example here. See that I typed the word Bahia, and Bahia now is stored in a variable called var that we can access use the name var here in the print function. If we put a text inside the parentheses, this text will appear when the function is called. The text will appear before the place that we will use to text the thing that we want to stores in the memory. So here I put the text what is your name, and this text appears before the place that I will put my name. Now Gabriel is stored in the variable called nome, and we can access this we can access Gabriel using the variable like here. Okay, now we have everything that will be used to build the code that we want. As we see here, the first thing that appears is a text and a place to put a content, and after that another text with a text that is using the content that I put before appears here. So it's clear that we will first use the input function. I will put here a variable called name equals operator, and name will receive the content that we text. In the example, this sentence appears before the place that we use to put the content. So we will put this sentence inside the parentheses. What is your name? And after the input function, see that a text appears. The text is using the content that I wrote before. To do that, we use a structure of the Python called f-string. A f-string, it is a text where we can put variable contents inside the text. To use f-strings, we just need to put the f before the quote marks, and we use this syntax, and inside the keys we will put the name of the variable that we want to show. Here is name. Okay. As the example, we will put hello name, have a nice day. So the content of the variable name will appear in the sentence that will be shown with the print function. So let's run the code. What is your name? Gabriel. Hello Gabriel, have a nice day. So the tutorial ends here. Python is a very powerful language, programming language, that can be used to build anything that is inside your head. So this is a very simple code, but you can search for another tutorials to learn more about this powerful programming language. So I will end here, and thank you and bye.